we say that they are maybe 1,500.
1,500, okay.
And your drip.
Okay.
Drip system. Drip system, they are only 2,500.
Okay.
Because only they are 1 meter, 1 meter. I don't know how be a view.
Okay.
I started my 25 years.
Okay.
I did for now, I'm a long contract bebre out to wage irrigation project.
Okay.
My Edma and Sana Miama Betemi.
Okay.
Tia Jura, him fan, Munina, Kota, Mali, Boliga, Sierra Leone, Senegal, and Angola, Lumina, Angola, no more family, and Yamidino. Angola, and I call it man of few hobby. And I'm for so, Wafi Angola, and I coca, Angola, and I didn't coca.
Okay. So now we are walking towards the water source where the water is. The irrigation manager of this project is going to turn on the pump to push water into the farm. So we are walking, I think it's a bit far from where the farm is. And I'm here with Mr. Angola. He's an irrigation expert and consultant. So he's the manager of the irrigation system here on this project at Mampong in the Kumasi Ashanti region. We are walking towards the water source, so we'll be talking to him briefly to understand a few things. And also I'll be leaving his number if you need any form of irrigation projects on your farm or your house, even your house, he will give you a call. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to this channel. The name is Efo Selassie, and thank you for watching. 52 pipes. Wow. 20 feet and 52 pipes. Right. That's about and also the 40 pipes.
100.
102. I don't know, one opted for borehole, and I know you're expensive.
Borehole, it's a river.
Okay.
Borehole, any motion,
okay.
When you are a tree, and a video also in training, very borehole sometimes almost just almost sensually be check out yourself. In woman, and children, moody family, a bay, and 1 years are no man. All the family, all the good no man, nobody in your papa.
Okay.
The river said in the old year, I said, the year you are clear or super. Most of them, the way down is maybe all of the same, only problem.
Okay.
Borehole no sense you for an 18 years. This is 9 horsepower.
9 horsepower. Yeah. Okay. In a day, mo watering no say mo fill tank now. Ahena. How many days?
I feel na my area.
Okay.
Into petrol no yen to be the 36 into almost water the whole of the day.
Okay.
Near who say that is over 5 gallons or 3 gallons or 10 gallons.
Okay.
As at now they are meant to be who say because machine shouldn't be there man hoa.
Okay.
Into a high machine. One high machine on Yansa. Won't you entering? Okay. And we need 4 in, 4 out.
4 in, 4 out.
But it's possible.
Okay. New technical terms. Yeah, the NTRC.
4 in, 4 out for suction site.
Okay. The machine be saying it will last how many years?
We say one option we will change one the diamond corrector. Bet me and 4 years. 4 years. Sana bet me higher review. Okay. You want the petrol, you want the diesel.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we need a petrol.
I will need a petrol.
The irrigation system, no, saying a Maya setup, no. Our farm nankasa, so a sprinkler irrigation.
No, rain hose.
Rain hose, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, friend of water for me. Sometimes will be friend of water for me. Will be friends shower water.
Okay.
So water for me, and most of them don't know yet. I'm friend.
Okay.
So I know who use or no. It means spreading, you know.
Okay.
It's a sprinkler type. Yeah. There's no difference. So that's why the way they all move.
Okay.
And you're movable.
Yeah.
Sprinkler, you're movable. We are just move with the different place. Now where they two what you said, the beer you okay and son obey you.
Okay. So no components near the near mom from machine no to pipes no any other things.
What don't be say no. Yeah, if a bad man very here farm.
Okay.
Here farm no name who ekarudo oh.
Okay.
And you who you ever I met me 1 acre be any estimate.
Okay.
Said do do say and water for me 100 meters.
100 meters.
Okay. 1 acre no for 10.
Okay.
1 acre no for 10 any connectors and even anti or no you pay cost more estimate no cost or no. And one is open 1 acre or estimate in the on to the more one is a channel. Okay.
Let's say 10 acres, no, I know 100. 100 or
yeah. And now line and Casalan, the roba could be 100 meters.
100 meters, okay.
Roba could be 100 meters.
Until we say no, so be PB of only 1 acre. Or person who say ahina or maybe obejia
my charge
your charger
we say that they maybe 1,500
okay
and your drip system they are only 2,500
okay
because only they 1 meter it's setting a pipe no 1 meter
okay
and now you know rain hose no on the 5 meters.
5 meters, okay.
Intervals no 5 meters.
Okay.
We anyway be share. We anyway be share. It may far 4 beds at a time.
Okay.
Lie back will be at 4 beds. 2 here. Okay. So there are 2 center man.
Okay.
I am out. No, ni how be a view.
Okay.
So far as in Suno Hong Kong there, and no. I bet do hano. The pressure no, I confirm my phone no. Let me on a different machine or have you.
Okay.
There was some power no.
Okay. Okay. Just a machine a war no.
And so
a power bar now we
always have a take you for the free because I have no quite
okay.
Yes, I'm going to bet me a control in a bit more on Suno or say about 100 meters and now 50 meters. It may bet me a power farm, Nina.
Okay. But we know as a move, I say, I'm
holding a bathroom.
The way we are smaller machine, and as over here, no,
machine Bakuka. And the way they made the experiment at my home. Okay, come on, be planting. Okay, or send me the back on back account. Let me power to see a pen.
Oh, nice.
Let me power to see a pen.
Into between water hose piano size near saying
and then make 5 meters.
5 meters, okay.
Yes. Okay. Until I bet me water way. Okay. Until we so be far way anyway. The sun far way anyway. The size near 5 meters.
Oh, okay.
So a kwanwa with me 4 meters.
Okay.
A kwanwa my machine no. With man instead of say one to me more pressure than make me a cruise kakrama.
Okay.
Yeah. The whole machines BBR or set.
Okay.
Maybe yeah.
Oh, your mouth contract is here. Oh, be your day we are now. 10 acres we say no. How many days now spending here?
10 acres no. Let me the boys number. The boys number there it means 6 days.
6 days.
For laying and lateral and this is all.
Okay.
It means definitely 6 days.
Okay.
So yeah, about one of the accommodation here. Yeah, you need there already one over here. One over here, my.
Okay. Ube training Nipa Nankasa ni Nipadia.
Me boys no, be your farm ho. You say in case BBC na not me, be na me training no.
Yeah, okay.
Because me akana me fear me ba.
Okay.
And na farm no so nya ba ko na me ko. Me all has fear no kwalo. And say so tell it to let's go Japan.
Okay.
To different places. Me just say na me pay you be hop people.
Okay.
Me na me dia send it. Then we started my 25 years.
Okay.
Adi for now me long contract bebre out to irrigation project.
Okay.
My ejuma ho ansana me ama bete me ho.
Okay.
Ti ejura hin fan nu nyina me ko tamale boliga Snails Senegal and Angola nu nyina Angola no mo frɛ me nya me din no. Angola na me ko ejuma no fi ho bai no. Na am for say o wa fi Angola ba. Na akoka ho Angola na di na akoka ho.
Okay.